Ready to integrate with Walmart Marketplace APIs? Today, you'll learn how to find your authentication tokens and connect your tools securely. Let's get started. Your client ID and client secret are unique API credentials that identify you as a seller. These credentials are required to generate API access tokens, which let your system securely connect with Walmart Marketplace APIs. From your Seller Center dashboard, go to Settings, then select the link in the API section. From here, select the API Key Management button to proceed to the Walmart Developer Portal. In your account page, you'll find your personal key pair under the Production Keys page. Look for the entry with a small lock icon. This is your client ID and client secret. Copy these down on a physical or digital notepad and keep them secure, as they are your credentials for authentication. Now that you have your credentials, the next step is to use them to obtain an access token. Your access token lets your system make secure API calls. These are the requests used to exchange data with Walmart. To generate the token, you'll use your client ID and client secret with Walmart's Token API by sending a POST request. If you're working with a developer or solution provider, they'll take care of this step directly on their system terminal. And that's it. You found your API credentials and know how to generate access tokens. Now you're ready to start connecting your business tools to Walmart. Don't forget to watch our other Seller Academy tutorials to keep learning.